On this episode, we take the Coastal Classic Tour route in the Adventure class for a 12-hour excursion above the historic Alaska Railroad train from Anchorage down to Seward and back. We will share our experience of taking the train through Denali National Park. We spot the different types of wildlife that lives in the park, along with the many glaciers. We will show you all the amenities the train has to offer. We then arrive in the beautiful town of Seward aboard the Kenai Fjords sightseeing vessel in Resurrection Bay to explore Kenai Fjords National Park. From the water, we will see some great marine life and glaciers. Well, explorers, let's check it out. Good morning, travelers. This morning we arrived at the Alaska Railroad Depot here in Anchorage at 6 a.m., a half hour before our 6:30 departure time. We were getting ready to board our 12-hour Coastal Classic Tour in the Adventure class from Anchorage down to Seward. Now, this tour also included a boat tour of Kenai Fjords National Park, all for $363. This tour was offered from May to September. Well, travelers, we're getting ready to get on that train right here.
Yes, there's lots of people in a very small space. I don't do well.
Yeah.
Let me get outside.
To the trains. Well, travelers, we made it on our train. We had a 4.5-hour train ride from here in Anchorage down to Seward, where we're going to catch the boat to go to the Kenai Fjords as part of our tour. And well, we'll show you guys along the way what the beautiful sights is going through the Denali National Park on this 4-hour trip. Our adventure class is featured our confirmed seat with a large picture window, onboard dining and bar service available for purchase in the Wilderness Cafe, and freedom to explore between the adventure class cars. One of the things you can do in the adventure class, that we took today, is take what's called go to the Vista Dome, which we have awesome sights here. I'll show you. Here's the Vista Dome is what it looks like. Get a whole glass dome. Just breathtaking views. You got a train going down the coast here. Alright, travelers, well, that's the Vista Dome. Let's go check out the back of the train where the booths and stuff's at. One of the amenities in the Adventure class, as well as the Gold Star status, is the Wilderness Cafe. You can get a bite to eat with either a snack or a drink, or just take in the beautiful views from the car right here. got the Conductor. How you doing?
Hi there. How's it going?
All right. So I'm Traveling Irishman on the YouTube channel here. So,
Oh, the YouTube channel. Cool.
Yeah. So you were saying that you've been on this. You started doing this train when you were 9 years old.
Well, I first wrote it when I was 9. I didn't
old.
start working on it
You're 19. Okay.
Yeah, they have some child labor laws that got in my way.
Right. Okay. Well, travelers, that's part of the train ride, our first leg of it. We're headed down to the Resurrection Bay to get on a boat tour for the next 6 hours and catch all kinds of wildlife. Goes give that kind of a view from there. Say hello to the Conductor again. Great sights. Awesome trip as far as getting down here to Seward. Made it down here. See the train. Pretty cool views, mountains and stuff. Snow on them. Well, travelers, they take a shuttle from the train station. Part of our tour is called Kenai Fjords Tours. They take the shuttle bus to the harbor of Resurrection Bay that we'll be hanging out in for the next 6 hours. Well, we've made it to our tour location. Not quite on the boat just yet, but this is where the boat launch is. Here's the, check out the cool Kenai gift shop and tour. The boat or the harbor out that way. And the different charter companies out here. We're in the downtown Seward area. Pretty epic sights. How beautiful is Seward there so far?
It's nice.
Nice.
It's much cooler.
Much cooler here, huh?
Than we have been experiencing. But I have come prepared.
Yeah. Definitely got most lucky with beautiful weather this time, huh?
Yeah, definitely nice and sunny. Which is nice.
There's the inside. They give us chicken wrap sandwich, some chips, and a granola bar as part of our fare that we pay for. But seating area inside. I think we're gonna want to go to upside, or what do they call it? Topside. Well, travelers, that will complete our boat tour. Say bye to everybody.
Take it easy, man.
Say guys. All right. I'd like to thank Denali Fjords Tours for an awesome tour. definitely epic for sure. Well, travelers, we're going to check out the little train station this time around. Seward Depot. It's a tiny little depot. So, we had to get our tickets here in order to get back on the train. There's a little bit of time in between the time we get off the boat to get back on the train. It's only like a 15-20 minute window. Travelers, we have made it back to Anchorage Depot here, train station.
Yes.
How was your experience there, traveling duo?
It was good. I got tired. You can't tell that it's nighttime. It's 10:15 at night.
That's one thing that's crazy about Alaska in the summertime is that
the sun never
really goes down officially. As you guys can see, it is 10:15 at night. And it's still light out, like I could be at 5 o'clock anywhere else in the United States.
Oh, let's get off the train.
Alright, well, we're going to time to get off the plane and...
Train? You said plane.
Train.
Long day.
Long day. 12, 13 hours. Crazy. Well, travelers, that completes our experience today here on the Alaskan Railroad. So if you ever find yourselves in Alaska, definitely come check out the Alaska Railroad. It's a hell of an experience, as you guys got to see today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, definitely hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all of our new content that comes out. Have a great time, safe travels. We'll see you in the next episode, guys.